429 days ago, another war started, not in Ukraine but in Israel against Hamas, and the war is still going on. Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Monday, December the 9th, 2024. Not so good news for today, because in today's newspaper we have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. Only 3 regular puzzles, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles, no additional. So only 3. Well, tomorrow another day, so new puzzles of these 3 regular puzzles. Okay, yeah, the first one is a 3 star Sudoku, and this one will be number 9721. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25 printed digits. This one has 26, should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, we need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. Only place level 8 should be there. 8, 2, 4, 4, 4. Need a 7 here, need a 6 there. Need a 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only place level 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there, okay, need a 7 there. How about the number 2. Need a 2 there. Need a 3 there. 6. So we need a 6 here. Come on. Need a 2. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, from the first row. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. 2. No. 2. 2. Okay. 3 in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have 3 and the 7 in the second row, so no 3 and the 7 in these 3 boxes. 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, and look, we have a 4 and a 6 in this column, so no 4 and a 6 in this box. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 3, 7, I need a 5 here. 3, 7, 5, okay. In this column, we need a 7. Well, we have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this column should be there. 3 not 7. We have a 7 now in this big square, so 1 digit left should be the 3. two missing numbers in this column. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Okay. 3, 3. Need a 7 here. Need an 8 there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. That means 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 and the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, no 1 goes there. 7. Then let me see. You know, 1 here. You know, 1 here. Well. Come on. 8, 1. 3. Need a 3 here. That means the 3 should be here. In this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this row is number 3. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in the column next, so no 3 there. So the only place level 3 in this row should be there. Then need a 2, need a 6 and a 8, 2, 6 and a 8. Alright, need a 9 here, need a 9 there. 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7 and a 6. Need a 4 here. Come on. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Then let me see. Need a 1, 4, 8, 6. 1, 4, 8, 6. Need a 9 here. Come on. 8. Need a 4. 4. Need a 6 here. We have a pair in this big square. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 6. We have 5 and the 6 in this row. No 5 and the 6 in these two boxes. 5 and the 6 in the row below. So no 5 and the 6 in those two boxes. 2 boxes left in this big square for the 5 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. And need a 5 here. 7 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. Need a 6 there. No. We already have a 6. The 7 here. 7, 9, 5. Need a 5 here. 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 3 in this big square. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. I need a 3 here. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. Need a 9 here. Yeah. In the last row, 5 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. So the 9 could be here, or there. We see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for 8 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. Can I count? Yes, and all the ones are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Okay. Then 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. Oh, no. 7 in this column. No. Yeah, 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 4 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then 4 and 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so row 3 in the middle row. The only place level 3 should be there. One box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level 4 should be there. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, 1 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Remember, talk too much in the beginning, otherwise it will be a 1 star. Yeah, we give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. I think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.